What I go on YouTube family? I'm me man, Mr. B, and I'm not here with good news. The track and field world woke up this morning to news of the passing of Torie Bowie, born Frentorish Bowie. Those of us in the track and field fraternity and friends referred to her as Torie. Born August 27, 1990, in Sand Hills, Mississippi, where she attended the Pisgah High School in Jackson County, there in Mississippi, and won a track scholarship to the University of Southern Mississippi between where she attended between 2008 and 2012. Now, Torie had won two state high school championships in the 100, 200 meters, and the long jump, which she initially specialized in before switching to the 100 and the 200 meters. Of course, she came to even greater prominence for those of us following the track and field business when she finished behind Elaine Thompson Hero for a silver medal at the Rio de Janeiro Olympics there in 2016. And then she followed that up at the same Olympic Games with a bronze medal in the 200 meters before leading the United States 4 by 100 meters team to gold in the final of that event. She went on to win gold medal at the 2017 um, World Championships in the United Kingdom, essentially dethroning Jamaica, the Jamaican women's dominance in the event, which had been going for pretty much a decade. She went on to garner a second World Championship gold medal at the same 100 meters distance, and it was one of them, very affable, easygoing personality. From my understanding is that she had developed had a little modeling career that was going on there at the same time. Um, really, really affable young woman, and she is going to be missed. Just want to use the opportunity to wish her family, friends, the fans out there in the track and field world deepest condolences on her passings. Always, very, very traumatic when somebody this young with so much promise, because without question, Torie Bowie was a star, a great personality, and the United States track team has suffered a major, major, massive loss. The track and field fraternity as well. Just want to use the opportunity as well to invite you, if you haven't done so, to subscribe to our channel. And of course, I'm going to ask you to, if you like the video, to hit the like button and share with your own circles. And more importantly, I would love to get your own feedback in the comment section. Again, deepest condolences. The track and field world has suffered a great loss.